A weld is not just a bead, it's a load-bearing structural joint. But here's the question every mechanical design engineer should ask. Are you guessing the weld size, or calculating it by industry-accepted American weld standards and Indian standards? That requires deep understanding of weld design formulas and structural mechanics. Great engineers combine simulation tools with strong design fundamentals. How the load flows through the joint. So, how do you determine the correct weld size? How do you calculate weld stresses under static and dynamic loads? How do you evaluate weld strength and failure modes? And how do you design against fatigue and crack initiation? This is where engineering calculation matters. Introducing Weld Stress Calculations and Failure Prevention course. Learn to move beyond simply creating welds in CAD or checking an FEA contour. Understand the fundamentals of weld design, stress calculations, strength evaluation, and failure prevention using engineering principles and practical calculations. Design welds. Calculate strength. Prevent failure. Stop guessing weld size. Calculate it. If you want to become a stronger core mechanical design engineer, this course is for you. Course link in description.